A home's security starts at its entrances. In Des Allemands, where community values and family safety are top priorities, investing in quality door replacement is one of the most effective ways to protect your property. Beyond curb appeal, a strong, well-installed door serves as a first line of defense against intruders, weather damage, and energy loss. Let's explore how a new door can significantly improve your home's safety and comfort. Strength begins with the right materials. When considering a door replacement, material choice plays a crucial role in overall security. Modern doors are engineered with durability and protection in mind. Steel doors are among the most secure options, offering resistance to forced entry while maintaining an elegant appearance. Fiberglass doors mimic the look of wood but are more durable, dent-resistant, and can include advanced insulation layers that make them both secure and energy efficient. Solid wood doors, while traditional and visually appealing, can also be reinforced with steel cores or advanced locking systems to enhance safety. In Des Allemands, where humid conditions and seasonal storms are common, homeowners benefit most from materials that resist both physical impact and moisture-related wear. Modern locking systems for superior protection. Upgrading your door also means improving your locking mechanism. Standard locks can only provide limited protection, but today's smart locking technologies offer enhanced control and convenience. Multi-point locking systems secure the door at several points along the frame, making it nearly impossible to force open. Smart locks allow you to control access via smartphone apps, giving you the ability to lock or unlock doors remotely and monitor entry attempts in real time. Keyless entry systems add an extra layer of protection by eliminating traditional keys, which can be lost or copied. Professional door replacement services in Des Allemands often integrate these technologies seamlessly, ensuring maximum security without sacrificing style or usability. Reinforced frames and installation precision. Even the strongest door can fail if the frame or installation is subpar. A properly installed door with a reinforced frame provides critical support against impact or tampering. Quality contractors use heavy-duty hinges, strike plates, and frame anchors to prevent forced entry. In Des Allemands, where many homes experience strong winds and occasional tropical weather, a well-secured door installation also protects against air and water infiltration. That means fewer drafts, better temperature control, and reduced energy bills, a bonus benefit of investing in security. Aesthetic appeal meets safety-enhancing security doesn't mean compromising on appearance. Modern replacement doors are designed to complement your home's architecture while offering advanced protection. You can choose from a wide range of styles, finishes, and glass options that include impact-resistant and shatterproof glass. These not only boost safety but also bring natural light into your home without sacrificing privacy. Des Allemands homeowners often prefer customizable designs that match the local architectural charm, rustic, coastal, or contemporary, ensuring your new door enhances both beauty and peace of mind. Professional door replacement. A worthwhile investment. While DIY projects can be tempting, professional door replacement ensures precision, long-lasting results, and warranty-backed peace of mind. Local experts in Des Allemands understand the area's weather patterns, building codes, and preferred materials. Their craftsmanship guarantees your new door not only fits perfectly but also performs optimally for years to come. A high-quality door replacement can deter break-ins with advanced security features, improve energy efficiency and reduce utility costs, increase property value and aesthetic appeal, provide long-term durability against environmental wear. Conclusion: home security is more than just an alarm system. It starts at your front door. For homeowners in Des Allemands, replacing old, worn-out doors with modern, secure, and stylish alternatives is a smart and lasting investment. Whether you choose steel, fiberglass, or reinforced wood, pairing quality materials with expert installation will keep your family safe and your home protected for years to come. Upgrade your home's first line of defense today, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your Des Allemands home is both secure and beautiful.